In this video, I'll be showing you how to change your shower head into a handheld shower head. A couple things you will need before you start are an adjustable wrench and some plumber tape. We start off by removing the shower head using the wrench. After loosening, you can use your hands to twist the shower head off completely. Remove any loose plumber tape left on the threads of the pipe. You will then take your plumber tape and apply it onto the shower head pipe. Make sure to put it on clockwise onto the threads. You will want to apply the tape 2 to 3 times around the threads. Next, take your shower head and loosen the shower head adjuster nut before screwing it onto the shower head pipe. After doing so, use your wrench to tighten the shower head to the pipe. I had to use a pipe wrench instead because this unit did not allow enough space for my adjustable wrench. After you have tightened it on, you'll want to adjust the shower head in the direction you want. Then, tighten the shower head adjuster nut by hand. You are now finished and ready for your next shower.